I don't know why anybody would want any more than this. Nice campsite, couple of fine Mustangs, good dog and a good rifle. The first time I rode by here, I thought, man, if I could ever put a lodge right up on top, I would be in heaven. I pursued my dream. It's a wild country, but I love it very much. Haven't shaved in 20 years. Takes up too much time. Of course, you know, my family always thought I was crazy, thank you very much, but my dad always said that I was just like one of his uncles. You're just like him. All you want to do is hunt and fish and ride. I said, thank you. I knew I couldn't be the first one.
Beyond the grid, Bear Claw makes his home in western Idaho, high atop the ridgelines of the Clearwater Mountains, part of the Northern Rockies. Up here, Bear Claw found a place removed from the modern world, one he believes resembles the frontier of the early 1800s.
Of course, when I was a kid, my mother said I'd like to come out of the house just once and not see me climb up in that tree. I don't think it ever happened, though. There's a pretty good fire going right there. Them trees must have exploded and they're burning up. Right over there, I see a white speck. This is gonna be a bad time of the year. It's dry as a tinderbox everywhere.
Here in Idaho, a lack of rain has resulted in a severe drought, causing serious issues to contend with. Frequent wildfires have been plaguing the region, and over the past week, flames have reached forested areas less than a mile from Bear Claw's camp.
The danger of the fires, this whole country could catch on and burn down. And I don't want to burn up with it, all my critters. So I'm gonna remove my camp. You can tell it's really dry out here because this horse's hooves are as hard as a rock. This whole country could burn up in a couple of days this time of year. Luckily, I got a fast horse.